Nah,
baby.
baby.
No, maybe not.
Maybe it's just 2 regular ones?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Should I kill my engine? Oh, there's a lot of them. Kill my engine.
Oh, look at them. Where'd they go? They're still right here?
Yeah. Oh, look the other way. They're right below us. They're right below us. Right here.
I see them.
Turn around. Oh, there's those little fish there. That's what they're trying to eat.
Oh, they're eating fish, huh? Look at them together right next to each other. Oh my gosh, there are so many. No, there's one right there, honey. Right there.
Right below us.
There's 2. See them?
Yeah.
Here they come up out of the water.
He's playing.
Oh my gosh.
Did you see him going on his side and all that?
Yes.
Here he comes again.
Hi, buddy. Look, I want to be his friend. Look at him.
Look at him. He's turning sideways and everything.
What if he does a flip for us?
This one's funny.
Hi.
What if they start doing flips over us? Here he comes. He's right there.
Yes, I see him. Don't hit him with
I
them.
won't. He has more.
Look at him.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, Brando. There's one out there. Oh, don't scare him.
He's coming up. Here he comes. Here he comes. Here he comes. Right here.
Yeah. Where'd his friends go?
Right here.
Oh, I thought your arm
Here he
was
comes.
him.
Here he comes. It's like he wants to be petted, you know?
Yeah.
Let's go over here and see if we can get some others to play with us.
Oh,
No,
where's he at? Over here?
Yeah. I don't know where he went. There he is. One right there. That might have been a fish, actually.
There.
I feel bad. All their fish are like tripping, you know? Here he is.
Oh my goodness.
See him anywhere? Just wonder. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes.
Look, there's 2 right here.
Yeah.
Underneath us, here they come on the other side. There they are.
Comfortable, do you? Well, man, look at all the cuts from the boats. That's why I don't want to get too close to him. Ready? Tell these people what we want. Well done.
Yeah, just don't go too fast.
Everybody on the beach wants to know what we're doing.
I love his face.